Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is NAJMI bin Muhammad Nazeri, matric number B0920103880, and I would like to present about our additive manufacturing project that is pineapple rack. Okay, for the project introduction, first we are asked to designing the pineapple rack and fabricate a prototype. Second, solving the vendor problem in terms of display, storage of fruit and the rack itself. And the last one is to help vendor to attract customer in buying the product. And the thing that we should be a highlight for this project is easily assemble and deassemble of the rack, the height of the rack, the width of the rack, the weight of the rack, and the appearance of the rack. Next, the aim and the objective of this project is to ensure the rack can withstand the weight of the pineapple and the display product, can attract the customer attention by displaying a good pineapple placement, to solve vendor problem in displaying their pineapple and their product, and the last one is to help vendor assemble and deassemble of the rack.
Hi, my name is ISMA HAKIM bin HAZAM. Today, I want to talk about the project background, which is our pineapple rack. Our pineapple rack is a storage device composed of a long-lasting substances. The various types of racks that are applied in a wide range of locations and situations such as groceries, fruit stall, and many more. Pineapple fruit damage is reduced when we use the pineapple rack. When it's not used, racks disassemble and breaks down fast and effortlessly for easy storage. They are space-saving and for easy install. Next, I want to talk about the usage of the AM system. Since the 1980s, additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing, has become a popular method of creating prototypes, and is becoming the simplest and the most cost-effective approach to create individualized consumer goods. FDM is the most user-friendly and it also compatible with the project parameters. FDM printers use two types of material, a model material and a support material that acts as scaffold hold on the object in place. Next, I want to talk about the material used for the product, which is our pineapple rack. We use the carbon steel. Carbon steel is an iron carbon alloy containing up to 2.1% carbon by weight. Rack frame from the carbon steel pipes. The strength of the carbon steel pipe allows them to build in a thinner diameter compared to other materials. Thinner carbon steel pipes mean lower cost because of the low amount of material.
My name is Muhammad SUFFIAN. I would like to explain about product feature and benefit, which is we have the buffer design, triangle stable octet, safety protection sleeve angle, quality environmental protection storage basket, multi-layer design for stronger storage, the thickened carbon steel frame, double-sided storage, and also we have a well ventilated and moisturizer proof crate. Okay, the process is solid-based technology with fused deposition modeling, which is FDM, are a possible system to adopt because it acts as quick, cost-effective prototype and design verification tools. It's ideal to our product, which is household item. Then for the tool, SolidWorks can be used to design the product and Flash Print can be utilized as a 3D printing software. Next is the material. Carbon steel is an iron carbon alloy contain up to 2.1% carbon by weight. Although there is no minimum content for other alloying element in carbon steel, they frequently contain manganite. Carbon steel can also refer to steel that is not stainless steel. In this case, carbon steel can also refer to alloy steel. Milling machine, cutting tools such as shears and high-strength wire are just a few of applications for high carbon steel. Rack frame from carbon steel pipes. The strength of carbon steel pipes allow them to build in thinner diameter compared to the other diameter.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Kamarul Shahrin and I will be discussing additive manufacturing in our project. Additive manufacturing is about bringing design and innovation to the forefront. With its integrated analytical tools and design automation, it is also a productive 3D CAD software tool for stimulating physical behavior such as kinematics, dynamics, stress, deflection, vibration, temperatures, or fluid flow to suit all forms of design. This project taught us how to utilize FlashPrint software and how to handle the additive manufacturing function in engineering. We also learned how to use the SolidWorks software during this assignment. It may also be used to create 3D models, assembly processes, and parts drawings. In this mini project, the software can change the appearance of the product as we desire. Because it is such a fundamental software for engineering, it is very simple to use. After the process of creating the 3D part is complete in SolidWorks, we then save it as STL file. We use the FlashPrint software by dragging and dropping the STL file into the software. We set the movement by putting the product in the center and putting it on the platform. We set the surface of the platform and the z-axis to 90 degrees. Then we adjusted the scale by selecting uniform scaling and then set the extruder to the right extruder position. To make the printing process easier, we then selected a support. You can change the infill kind with this software. We also know how many layers the product has and how long it takes to settle down the printing process. As a conclusion, we were able to better understand the benefits and drawbacks of 3D printing. Furthermore, with its relatively simple and orderly way, the methods of utilizing FlashPrint software can be comprehended. In addition, by creating this mini project, we were able to enhance the uniqueness of this 3D design in any software and promote industry standard knowledge 4.0. Finally, we were able to progress further in 3D printing development. That's all from us. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.